Guddur is a vibrant city located in the southern Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. It is a place of strategic importance. Guddur lies on the crossroads of major trade routes. The city has a rich history and a diverse culture. It is emerging as a key player in the economic growth of the region. Guddur serves as a vital link between the coastal regions and the hinterland. The city's location has contributed to its growth as a center for trade, commerce, and transportation. Guddur's proximity to major urban centers like Chennai and Bangalore has further enhanced its significance. The city acts as a gateway to the southeastern coast of India. Guddur is witnessing rapid development and modernization. Infrastructure projects, including road expansions and industrial parks, are transforming its landscape. With its strategic location, historical significance, and economic potential, Guddur is poised to play a pivotal role in the future of Andhra Pradesh. Guddur is situated in the Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh. It lies on the eastern coast of India, facing the Bay of Bengal. The city is located about 150 kilometers north of Chennai, the capital of Tamil Nadu. To the south of Guddur lies the city of Nellore, the district headquarters. Guddur occupies a unique geographical position. It is situated on the edge of the Deccan Plateau. This region slopes down towards the Bay of Bengal. The city's landscape is a mix of coastal plains and low-lying hills. This creates a diverse ecosystem. The city is blessed with fertile land. This is due to the presence of several rivers and streams that flow through the region. The proximity to the coast also influences the climate of Guddur. The city experiences hot and humid summers and mild winters. This makes it suitable for agriculture and other economic activities. Guddur has a long and storied history, dating back to ancient times. The region was ruled by various dynasties. These include the Mauryas, the Satavahanas, and the Vijayanagara Empire. Each dynasty left its mark on the cultural landscape of the city. Guddur is home to several ancient temples and historical monuments. These stand as testaments to its rich heritage. The Sri Venkateswara Swami Temple, located on a hilltop, is a popular pilgrimage site. It attracts devotees from all over the region. The temple is known for its intricate carvings. It is a fine example of Dravidian architecture. The city celebrates various festivals with great enthusiasm. These festivals reflect the cultural diversity of the region. Guddur is known for its vibrant celebrations of Ugadi, the Telugu New Year, Sankranti, the Harvest Festival, and Diwali, the Festival of Lights. These festivities bring people together. They showcase the rich traditions and customs of the region. Guddur has a diverse economy. Agriculture plays a significant role thanks to the fertile land and favorable climate. The region is known for its production of rice, sugarcane, and groundnuts. These crops form the backbone of the local economy. Farmers in Guddur also engage in horticulture, cultivating fruits and vegetables. In recent years, Guddur has witnessed significant industrial growth. The establishment of industrial estates and special economic zones has attracted investments in various sectors. These include manufacturing, textiles, and food processing. The presence of the Krishnapatnam port, located just a short distance from Guddur, has further boosted economic activity. It serves as a major gateway for trade and commerce. The port handles a wide range of cargo, including containers, bulk commodities, and automobiles. This has created employment opportunities and spurred economic growth in Guddur and the surrounding areas. The city is also emerging as a center for small and medium-sized enterprises. These contribute to the local economy. Section 5. Transportation. Connecting Guddur to the world. Guddur enjoys excellent connectivity to other parts of India, making it a vital hub for travel and commerce. The city is well connected by roadways, railways, and airways, ensuring that people and goods can move efficiently. National Highway 16, which connects Kolkata to Chennai, passes through Guddur, providing a crucial link for long-distance travelers. This ensures seamless connectivity to major cities along the eastern coast, enhancing trade and travel opportunities. Guddur has a railway station that is well connected to major cities across India, making it a key stop on many important routes. It lies on the Chennai-Kolkata railway line, one of the busiest and most significant rail corridors in the country. Regular train services operate between Guddur and major cities like Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Vijayawada, ensuring frequent and reliable travel options. The city also has a well-developed network of state highways and district roads, facilitating easy access to various regions. These connect it to neighboring towns and villages, promoting regional integration and development. The nearest airport to Guddur is the Tirupati International Airport, which serves as a gateway to the world. It is located approximately 100 kilometers away, making air travel convenient for residents and visitors. The airport connects the region to major cities in India and abroad, enhancing Guddur's accessibility on a global scale. The presence of a robust transportation network has contributed significantly to the economic growth of Guddur, attracting businesses and investors. It facilitates the movement of goods and people, making it an attractive destination for businesses and tourists alike, and ensuring a vibrant and dynamic community. Section 6: Tourist Attractions, exploring the region's gems. Guddur is surrounded by several tourist attractions that draw visitors from far and wide. This region is a treasure trove of natural beauty and historical significance. Nature enthusiasts can visit the Pulicat Lake. It is located just a short distance from Guddur. The lake is a haven for birdwatchers and nature lovers alike. The lake is the second largest brackish water lagoon in India. It's home to a diverse ecosystem, including numerous species of birds, fish, and other wildlife. Visitors can enjoy birdwatching, boating, and exploring the scenic beauty of the lake. The tranquil waters and lush surroundings make it a perfect spot for relaxation. History buffs can visit the Nellore city. It is located about 30 kilometers from Guddur. The city offers a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of the region. Nellore is known for its ancient temples, historical monuments, and cultural heritage. Each site tells a story of the past, offering a unique experience for visitors. The city houses the famous Ranganathaswamy temple. It is dedicated to Lord Vishnu and is a marvel of Dravidian architecture. Another historical site worth visiting is the Udayagiri Fort, which dates back to the 14th century. The fort offers panoramic views and a peek into the region's storied past. For those interested in exploring the coastal beauty of the region, a visit to the Maipadu beach is a must. The beach is a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Located about 20 kilometers from Guddur, the beach offers breathtaking views of the Bay of Bengal. The sunsets here are particularly spectacular. Visitors can enjoy swimming, sunbathing, or simply relaxing on the sandy shores. The gentle waves and golden sands make it an ideal spot for a day out. Section 7: Education and Healthcare, Pillars of Progress. Guddur has made significant strides in the fields of education and healthcare. The city is home to several reputed educational institutions that provide quality education from the primary to the tertiary level. The presence of engineering colleges, polytechnic institutes, and industrial training centers caters to the growing demand for skilled professionals in the region. Guddur also boasts of well-equipped hospitals and healthcare centers that provide comprehensive medical services to the local population. The government hospital in Guddur is equipped with modern facilities and staffed with qualified doctors and nurses. The city also has a network of private hospitals and clinics that offer specialized medical care. The availability of quality education and healthcare facilities has contributed to the overall well-being of the residents of Guddur. It has also made the city an attractive destination for people from surrounding areas seeking better educational and medical opportunities. Section 8. Conclusion: Guddur, a city on the rise. Guddur, with its strategic location, rich history, and growing economy, stands as a shining example of progress and development in Andhra Pradesh. The city's transformation from a small town to a bustling urban centre is a testament to the hard work and resilience of its people. As Guddur continues to grow and modernize, it remains rooted in its cultural heritage. The city's strategic location, well-developed infrastructure, and proximity to major urban centres have made it an attractive destination for businesses and investors. The ongoing development projects, including the expansion of industrial estates, the development of tourism infrastructure, and the improvement of civic amenities, are set to further enhance the quality of life in Guddur. With its vibrant culture, warm hospitality, and promising future, Guddur is poised to become one of the leading cities in Andhra Pradesh and a model of sustainable development for other cities in India. As the city embraces the opportunities of the 21st century, it remains committed to preserving its unique identity and heritage for generations to come. The future of Guddur is bright, and its journey of growth and transformation is a story worth telling.